a great way to get lots of free traffic is to post on forums. The site I'm on right now is the Warrior Forum, and this forum is for internet marketing. But the thing is, you need to help people with their questions and provide quality information. Quality is key here. Another key is to post in forum threads that have a lot of activity, because these have lots of posts and lots of views. So there's a greater chance that people are going to see your posts, and the more people that see your posts, the more people that will click on your link in your forum signature. You can also post in forum threads that you think has the potential to get popular. For example, if it's on a topic is hot, and you have a gut feeling that a lot of people are going to be commenting on it, you could be one of the first to post on that thread. And of course, you could even start your own helpful threads. Okay, so let's just dive in here, just give you an example. Let's just click on the main discussion forum here, and as you can see on this side here, you can see the total views for each thread in here. Let's just go for the highest one here. Right off the bat, I see 389. That's not bad. So have you ever made money from list building? So if you have an internet marketing list and you market to people that are interested in list building, this is great for you to comment on. As you can see, there's lots of comments on here, and a lot of them even have links to their sites.